The positive result of Chinese economy in 2020 and the future expectation of growth really emphasize one key concept in the global economy today. One word: resilience. China is really showing resilience. Resilience from internal and external shocks. Because we do know that China has the capability to deliver on its targets. The ideal mix of market economy with government intervention when needed has allowed China in this 2020 year of pandemic to be pretty much the only large country in the world that will post a positive GDP growth. The thing that have impressed me most is that China, back in March, had understood that the economic goal and saving lives from the coronavirus were not two conflicting objectives, but needed to be addressed together.